Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you a few Tuesday morning finds, a few things I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and a few online hauls. So I'm going to jump right on in. I'll start with Tuesday morning. I did find some really cool washi tape. It's by Heidi Swap. It looks like that. And you get a really large roll and a smaller roll. And it was only 99 cents, so I thought that was a really great price right there. It says it's for the light box. It's light box washi, so you can use this for your light box if you have the Heidi Swap light box. That's what it's the intentions are for this, and I thought that was a great price for 99 cents. So I picked up the silver. I thought that was pretty. I did pick up one of these mini 8-punch. I know several of you ladies have already picked this up, and I did watch Bona's recent tutorial on how to create a folded pocket and make a really pretty edge with it. And so when I saw it, I went ahead and grabbed it, and there is the SKU right there. And this is what the punch looks like. It's a doily. Well, this is the scalloped punch right here. So you can create different sizes. I did play with it a little bit. These are the two that I had punched out. And as you can see, you could punch out several of them and then layer them. And then right here, I did make a little envelope, which I thought was kind of cute, and I sewed it on the sides. And of course, you can embellish it further. But I thought this was a fun punch to have for $3.99, so I said, why not? I picked that up. I was lucky to find this shirt and tie card set. I had been looking for this. I remember seeing Kendra, who's 504 Pretty Things. Hey Kendra, if you're watching, she had shared this, I think last week, and I did not find it at my Tuesday morning, but I actually found it over the weekend, so I was really excited to get this. This is a quick cuts die, and there is the SKU number right there in case you want to try and find it. But it looks like this cut out, and I just thought that this is absolutely adorable. So I just punched it out of some polka dot and some checkered paper, and I figured I can make some Father's Day cards or even some Father's Day tags to attach to gifts with this really cute shirt die. So super cute there. And it was $4.99, so a great price. And then I did find this nesting set. And sorry about the glare. It was $4.99 as well, and it has several nesting dies. It looks like 9 nesting dies in this set, and I did cut out a couple so you can see what they look like, but it's really pretty. So that's what it looks like cut out. So good price and a fun die set. And then moving along, Hobby Lobby, I did go ahead and pick up this paper. There was only one of these pads left, and it was 50% off. So I went ahead on Saturday and picked it up because I thought this was really cute. It's the Treat Yourself new paper line by Paper Studios. And what I can do is I'll do a quick flip through if you haven't seen it, but it's party theme. And I think it's really, really cute paper. And you get several sheets. You get sprinkles and stripes and that fun page. And you get several. There's cherries and party blowers and black and white stripes. It's a really fun birthday set. So I'm glad I picked this up for $5. Oh, there was even some unicorns. I didn't even notice. You got the llamas, donuts. So super, super cute for a sweet treat theme project. And then I also picked up these gemstones. They were also on sale. I think everything was 50% off with the Paper Studios brand. And then I had picked up these really cute Easter stickers. They are dimensional, and they were 50% off. And I just thought these little chicks were super, super cute, and I like the little flowers. So I picked these up for spring projects. And then I did pick up some of the new paper. This is one of the newer papers that they have in Hobby Lobby. It's in the single sheet section. And it's this iridescent unicorn paper. I just thought it was really pretty, so I picked it up. And then I did pick up one sheet of this unicorn paper. It's a 12 by 12 sheet. And that was 50% off of 69 cents. And then I did pick up one chunky glitter cardstock sheet, which was $1 as well, because it was on sale for Easter projects. All right, moving along to my online hauls. I did pick up this super cute bunny. I did share them on my Instagram. It's a memory box die. And this is the style number in case you want to go and try and find this little bunny face. But it is actually super, super cute. And I'll go ahead and take it out. Of course, I had to punch it out. This is the actual die right here. It's a small die, but it's actually really, really cute. And then here is the little bunny rabbit all punched out, just so you have an idea of what it looks like. But aren't those little bunny faces so super cute? So I plan on making some Easter projects using that particular die right there. And then moving along, I did pick up some new dies, and I wanted to share with you. These are from an online store that you guys are aware of, but I did pick up this stitched heart set, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I wanted to share with you this set because it's so, so pretty. And this is what it cut out. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts. And here, that's backwards, but there. That's what it looks like. Isn't that really, really pretty? I love the scalloped edge on it and the stitching. Super cute. And just check the description box below for product information if you want to find this particular heart set that I'm sharing with you today. Love it. And then I have this die right here that I also picked up that's new. And it's a birthday card, or not a birthday card, it's a birthday cake. And this is what this die looks like right here. And let me share with you what it looks like cut out. I had to play with it immediately. I used, let me just share with you, I brought the tag down. I used this tag die, and this is also an online purchase. And this is what that tag looks like with that really pretty birthday cake. I used some really pretty glitter paper, I think from either Recollections or Hobby Lobby. And then I used a really pretty paper pack or stack to create the birthday cake with all those different layers. It's so pretty. And then I die cut out the word celebrate, and that's a Spellbinders die, and added some trim on the bottom of my tag. So really cute birthday tag. And on the top I have some polka dotted trim from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Isn't that cake so pretty? I just love the way it shimmers. So, so pretty. And that is it. That is my share for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Please leave me a comment. Check the description box below for more information, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.